Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning is Fun with Surya. In this video I'll show you 5 more cool patterns of the Rubik's Cube. This is the second part. So please watch all of my cool pattern videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now I'm gonna show you cube in cube pattern. The algorithm is T dash, L dash, T dash, F dash, R square, B dash, R, F, T, B square, T, B dash, L, T dash, F, T, R, F dash. Yay! Now we did cube in cube patterns. 2 more Rubik's cubes in the Rubik's cube. Now I'm gonna do gift box pattern. The algorithm is T, B square, R square, B square, L square, F square, R square, D dash, F square, L square, B, F dash, L, F square, D, T dash, R square, F dash, L dash, R dash. Now we're gonna do green Mamba pattern. The algorithm is R, D, R, F, R dash, F dash, B, D, R dash, T dash, P dash, T, T square. We're gonna do black Mamba pattern. The algorithm is R, D, L, F dash, R, L dash, D, R dash, T, T dash, B, T dash, R dash, D dash. Now I'm gonna do cross pattern. The algorithm is R square, L dash, D, F square, R dash, T dash, R dash, L, T dash, D, R, T, B square, R dash, T, T square. Yay! Now we did cross pattern. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye.